Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change bank account on Binance. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So the first thing you have to do is to log to your Binance app or visit the website. Then from there, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner for the app and hover over your profile icon on the top right for the website. Then select payment method or payment management. Then after that, under payment method, find your linked bank account. Then tap on the existing bank account you want to change. Then click on the delete or remove option to unlink the current bank account. Then confirm the action to remove it completely. Then tap the add payment method or bank account. Then choose bank transfer or via bank account. Then enter your new account information accurately. Then provide the necessary details like bank number, bank name, account number, then account holder's name, and SWIFT or BC code if required. Then tap on double check the information for accuracy. Then confirm and save the new bank account details. Then Binance may request additional verification to confirm the new bank account. Then complete any verification